Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a stunning and edgy reverse cat eye look. So this modern twist on the classic cat eye shifts the focus to the lower lash line, creating a dramatic and unique effect that's perfect for making a bold statement. So let's get started. So first, apply an highlighting concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to your lids and under eye area to ensure the makeup stays in place and doesn't smudge. And make sure conceal your dark circle with two-tone darker shade concealer. So for this, I'm using Forever 52 concealer in the shade 007 French Vanilla. I'm going to apply concealer all over my lids and under eye area, blend it with a beauty sponge and set it with some translucent powder. So first, I'm going to take PAC Spotlight Black Gel Liner to fill my lower lash line, and you can use a black kajal pencil also or gel liner, anything you have, to draw a line along my lower lash line. Start from the inner corner and extend the line outward following the natural shape of my eye. And then I'm smudging the kajal with the help of small defined brush and extend the eyeliner line upward at the outer corner of my eye, creating a wing effect. The wing should be angled up toward the end of eyebrow. It's like a mirroring the classic cat eye but from the lower lash line. And then sharp your inner corner of your eye and gradually thicken the liner line to create a dramatic look. Ensure the increase in thickness is smooth and consistent. After applying kajal with the help of pencil brush to smudge and soften the liner along my lower lash line for a more diffused look. This step also helps to blend any harsh lines. Apply some black or brown shadow over the line to set it and prevent smudging. I'm go with the brown. For balance this eye look, I am apply a thin line of eyeliner along the upper lash line but keep my line subtle compared to the lower lash line. To enhance my eye look, curling my lashes, applying some coat of mascara to finish up the look. If you are trying this, focus more on the lower lashes to complement the reverse cat eye. If you did any mistakes, don't worry, no problem. Use a makeup remover and cotton swabs to clean up any mistakes or sharpen the edge of your wing. To elevate this eye look, I am adding some shimmers on my eyelids and inner corner. This is totally optional. For a unique twist, you can be used color eyeliner instead of black. By following these steps, you will achieve a striking and trendy reverse cat eye look that adds on unexpected flair to your makeup routine. Guys, in previous video, I explained all about eye makeup types and names being a makeup artist should know. Now we go through one by one detailed tutorial about that. So if you are not watched that video, I mentioned link in my description and end screen. Please check out and watch. That will help you what we are learning now. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the reverse cat eye look. If you give it a try, be sure to tag me in your pics on social media. I did love to see your take on this bold style. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so never miss an update. Leave a comment below with any questions or future tutorials you want to see. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep experiment with your makeup. Bye guys.